So today I'll be showing you how to make Instagram automatically delete your search history. Now obviously you can delete your search history manually by just coming to the search button, going to the search function, and you can tap on see all and clear your recent searches. Okay, but how do you make Instagram automatically delete or clear your search history? To do that, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right, and from your profile page, tap on the three-line button in the upper right. That should open settings and activity. From here, at the top of that page, tap on Accounts Center, and then tap on Your Information and Permissions. Tap on that, and then you should see Search History. Tap on that, and then choose Instagram, and then you should see your entire search history from here. Okay, now you can also delete the search history from here, but if you go one step back, you will see the option called Keep Searches For. Tap on that, and you can see it's default and it keeps your search history for 30 days by default. But if you want your account to automatically delete your search history before 30 days, you can set it to 3 days, a minimum of 3 days, and then tap on Confirm. And that's it. So every 3 days, your Instagram app or Instagram account will delete your search history. Okay, so that is basically how to automatically delete your search history on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.